Hey everybody, how's it going? So I just want to talk a little bit about the latest on Hurricane Ida. It's currently 11:30 Eastern. So the latest update, okay, maximum sustained winds 105 miles per hour, movement northwest at 16 miles per hour. Okay, so looking to make landfall sometime overnight. Um, So I'll pull up the interactive map in a moment, but I just want to talk about first. So 105 miles per hour. Okay. If we look at the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale, okay. So 105, they'll put it about a halfway category 2. Um, if we look at if we go up here and we look at the interactive map, okay, turn the track on here. And so if we zoom in, okay, so this is current location. So right here, this is valid 7 a.m. Central Time. Okay, maximum wind 130 miles an hour, wind gusts of 160. So if we look at the scale, okay, 130 miles per hour, that's a category 4. Um, my fear is that it could be higher than that. I don't know that. I mean, I just, you know, but that's my worry. Depending on how warm the water is, um, I mean, it's forecasted for a category 4. I'm not sure, what the other what others have said. Um, my fear though is it could be knocking on the door of a 5. Um, but I know that several others have forecasted Ida to be a category 4, and that would be 130 miles an hour. Okay, we're on the edge there. So if we look at the times for the wind, okay, earliest reasonable arrival time of tropical storm force winds. Okay, the southern tip of Louisiana, Sunday morning 2 a.m. So that's in a matter of a couple hours. Okay. Let's switch over to most likely. You're looking at probably 5-ish. I mean, it's 2 a.m. there. This area here, you're probably looking at 5-ish or so. So, and we look at this over here. This is, I believe, Nora. I haven't talked to her about her at all. She's going to be impacting Mexico. Um, but for Ida, all right, so tropical storm force wind probabilities, okay, 90% purple area. Um, obviously 80, 70, 60, 50, it goes out. Um, yeah, there's going to be a lot of wind there. let's look at the rain. All right, rainfall forecast. So this pink area, which is pretty interesting. Okay, you're looking at 15. You can see we're 15 to 20 inches of rain. That's a lot of water. The red, you're looking at 10 to 15. Orange is 6 to 10. Yellow is 4 to 6. So on. 2 to 4, 1 to 2. The further out you get. Okay. The New Orleans, that's you know, um, I don't remember. I don't remember much about Katrina, um, but probably I should look into that. But just some thoughts I got going on in my head. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of water. You know, be a lot of flooding. So hopefully people have evacuated. I've been watching traffic cameras on and off all day, and I've seen a lot of jam-packed highways. A lot of highways that were, stop and go or stopped entirely. Just people trying to get out. So hopefully they were able to. So this is the excessive rainfall outlook. Um, this I found really interesting. All right, so here you've got the area around New Orleans here. Um, you've got 50%, which is high. Okay, and then you've got almost the entire state of Mississippi, which is moderate, which is pretty crazy. And then obviously the further out you get, the less risk of flash flooding. Okay, and then this is the storm surge forecast. Okay, um, yeah, 10 to 15 feet. That's a lot of storm surge. 7 to 11 feet, 4 to 7, 2 to 4, 1 to 3, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 9. Lake Pontchartrain, 5 to 8. There's going to be a lot of coastal flooding. Yeah. So I'm going to pull up another page here. The enhanced data display from the National Weather Service. Let me see if I can look at some things here. So let's look at so we can get some more detail here. All right. So let's look at, first off, let's look at is there a, yeah, let's just go back to this. So we can zoom out a little bit here. We got hurricane warnings, tropical storm warnings inland. These green boxes are going to be flood warnings, probably. They won't pick them up. It's only picking up the hurricane warnings. Right, so let's turn that off. Let's, right, excessive rainfall. Marginal. All right. So it's kind of hard to see. That's one thing I hate about this system is wish you could see the map better through the colors. So you can see here the yellow is 15. Let's look at 3. Alright, let's pull up, see if we can pull this up. No, that's what I had selected already. So yeah, this is what I was talking about. So all this down here in the southern part of Louisiana, right on the coast, up to New Orleans, Houma, Baton Rouge, Oregon City. Yeah. Let's pull this up. Yeah. So this is the flooding potential outlook. So right here in the red, it's just hard to see through it. Occurring or imminent, right? Likely and then possible. Let's see. Some of the stuff, I'm not sure what it does here, but so it's coming. Hopefully, people have they're getting out. Let's take a look at some traffic cameras. I was looking at some of these earlier. I-10, like this section here. I-10 earlier was just slammed. That camera's down. Live feed. Here's one. Pretty constant flow of traffic. So this one, traffic closest to this camera is traveling eastbound on I-10. So that traffic over there, that's all heading westbound. Which is, it's been the what's been going on today. A lot of traffic heading west. Yeah, westbound on I-10. Let's see what was all about. Let's see here. Right. Let's go down and check out the leave down here. No traffic flow. No traffic. So hopefully anybody that's lived down in these areas, they have already gotten out. Let's see here. Some of these cameras won't load. Oh, there we go. I wish I could make these bigger. Good amount of traffic. So people are still getting out, which is good. Really good. Because I think there's going to be a lot of flooding. I'm hoping it's not as bad as I worry that it's going to be. Because I worry that it's going to be really bad. But, well, it's all for now. I've dabbled on long enough. I will keep an eye on things and see what goes on. Hopefully tomorrow I will do some live streaming. What I wanted to look at real quick is pull up a satellite here. So there she is, right there. This over here, this is Hurricane Nora. That I'll be talking about at some point as it moves on up. Right now, all eyes are on Ida. So, and you can see there's a definitive eye wall there, right there. So, one other thing that I wanted to do. Let me pull up radar scope here. Take a look. Plot this over. So, some of the outer bands making their way in. But yeah, I'm hoping this isn't going to be that bad. But the way it's forecasting and everybody's talking about, it's it looks like it's going to be. So just keep an eye on things. Hopefully, people have gotten to safe locations. They're able to evacuate. If you know anybody in that area, check in on them, make sure everything's okay. And like I said, I'll do some, hopefully, anyway, hoping to do some live streaming tomorrow. And we'll keep an eye on things and see what's going on. And, if you're in that area and you see this, stay safe. Please stay safe. All right. Have a good night, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.